This is Ian from Lee Media. I'm an experienced Amazon seller, and today I'm going to show you how to update a bullet on your branded Amazon listing. Let's get started. So we are in Amazon Seller Central, the Manage FBA inventory page. This is the listing I want to change. The first bullet says archival quality acid-free paper will last for many decades. I want to change that to many generations. So I'm going to go back to Amazon FBA, the Manage FBA inventory. Here is the listing. I'll go to this button here. It says send to FBA. Select the downward pointing arrow and then edit listing. So then continue. By the way, this is my own listing. This is my own brand. You can't do this for somebody else's brand. Let's see here. So we're going to go to product details, scroll down, and then you can see the bullet points are about maybe not even halfway down, maybe like 20% down the page. So archival quality acid-free paper will last for many decades. I'm going to just change that to generations. And then I'm going to scroll down to the very bottom of the page, save and finish. Validating. It might show me an error if there's something else I need to update, but I don't think there will be anything. And actually, let's go back up here and see if there's anything. It didn't let me do it. Let me try again. Save and finish. Changes submitted. Thanks for submitting your changes. If approved, changes will be reflected within 24 hours. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I'll see you next time.